On a day where everyone caught the shorts, I caught what I believe is a textbook long. However, I do believe this 2-minute IVJ 948 is trade of the day. Coming into market open, I came with a bearish bias. We are very, very close to this new week opening gap, and we have a 4-hour intermediate high here that could send us lower. We also had this unfilled 1-hour fair value gap in between price and the 4-hour intermediate term high. In a scenario like this, we will have to see if this 1-hour fair value gap will be used as defense for this internal high, or will price trade straight through it, take that internal high, and then get the delivery lower. Scaling down, we also have this 30-minute rejection block that I could potentially use as a key level as well. Let's use this video to explain how I use conditions. There are two PD arrays here where I could see price distribute from. This unfilled 1-hour fair value gap, which also happens to be equal highs, smooth equal highs. There's this 30-minute rejection block, and as mentioned previously, we come up with scenarios on how we want to trade this price action. And knowing that this is FOMC morning, it tends to be a lot more rangy, and I personally do not like to engage in these types of conditions. However, I would be super willing to take an A+ setup within these set conditions. Either price trades into this 1-hour fair value gap and then trades down to this rejection block. You could possibly also see price trade into the 4-hour intermediate term high, taking that out and then seeing the true move lower. Or we could leave this hourly fair value gap and these equal highs untapped, trade into this rejection block, get confirmation out of it, and take the trade higher. When we are presented with unmitigated fair value gaps, we could either take a trade from them or take a trade to them. Right before market open at 9:29, price trades into this hourly fair value gap and bodies below it. Theoretically, this is now a mitigated fair value gap. However, the body closing below and only trading about 8 points into the fair value gap, I smell fish. 9:30 ends up opening lower and trades into this rejection block that I had, leaving behind this 9:30 wick. Understandably, my bias is bearish, but I don't want to see distribution quite right now. This to me is very, very fishy. At 9:37, you are now presented with what I think is this beautiful long setup. Price trades into the rejection block. Wick CE of it gives us one clean inversion with a great close. We have great internal structure and a clear target above. In this instance, you could have taken a long position right here. I actually took a more discretionary front run here, and my fill was right around 420. And as you can see, this trade plays out beautifully up to the 9:30 wick into the hourly fair value gap. And from there, you get that short setup and the shorts for the day. And as you can see, the rest of the day kind of ends up ranging around, chopping around, waiting for the FOMC press conference. Let me know what trades you took. I will see you tomorrow.